Hey all, welcome back to my channel. In this video you will learn how to import database, how to create a ER diagram for already existing databases. After that you will also learn how to export created ER diagram. So let's start the video. First of all, in order to import a database, I need a database. So that's the reason I will go to MySQL tutorial. There you will find option called download MySQL sample database. Just click on that. After that you have to select a download MySQL sample database, which will download a GIF file which contains a SQL formatted file. After that you have to extract the SQL formatted file from that. Once the SQL format file is extracted, you have to go to MySQL Workbench, then click on server, then click on data import. There you will find a two options. One is import from dump project folder, another one is import from self-contained file. You have to select import from self-contained file. After that click on three dots and you have to select a SQL format file, then click on open. After that just click on start import. It will take some seconds to import that SQL format file into MySQL Workbench. Once it is imported, just refresh a schema. There you will find a new schema which we just imported. Just double click on that schema and click on a database. Now click on a reverse engineer. Then you will find a new tab which contains some different steps. Okay, first one is connection option. Here you will connect with your database, that is MySQL, and just click on a next. After that it will connect with your database. Basically here database means different databases which are present in our MySQL Workbench. Okay, just click on next, select a schema. Here we have to select a database to which we want to create a ER diagram. In our case we want to create a ER diagram for classic models, so I will select classic models and click on next. In this step all the tables which are present in a classic models will be extracted. After that we can decide which table to be included or which table to be excluded. It's up to you. In order to exclude the table, you have to just select the table and click on this. So here I will include this table and click on execute. After that, using all the table, it will create a ER diagram. Okay, just click on next. After that, finish. As you can see here, we have created a ER diagram successfully. You can perform a different operations here like dragging, or you can give new connections between the tables. Okay, using these options. In order to export the ER diagram, you have to just select a file and click on export. There you will find a different options. I will choose export as a PNG. After that I will give a name as ER diagram. Sorry, ER diagram. So let me open it. Oops. Yeah, this is a ER diagram, guys. Okay, this is all about in this video, guys. Please do share this video with your friends who are preparing for upcoming interviews on MySQL, and don't forget to hit a bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.